In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI sing with ElevenLabs text-to-speech. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ElevenLabs website. This is the platform we'll use to turn your written words into natural-sounding speech and, when you want, into convincing singing. Once the page loads, look along the left-hand side for the text-to-speech section. That's your main workspace. Click it to open the editor where you can type or paste your script. Before you write anything, change the model to 11v3 alpha. You'll find the model selector near the top of the text-to-speech page. This version focuses on expressiveness, which helps with musical phrasing and more nuanced delivery. Choosing the right model up front makes the results more consistent and saves you from redoing work later. Now type your script into the text box just like you would for any voiceover. If you want the voice to sing a portion of your text, insert the tag exactly like this, sing, and then immediately follow it with the lyrics you want sung. Place that tag right where you want the singing to begin. Everything after the tag will be interpreted as lyrics, so keep that section focused and concise. When you're done with the sung line, simply continue with normal sentences on the next line to return to speaking. Clear punctuation and line breaks help the model pace itself, so use commas and periods to guide the rhythm. Shorter lyric lines tend to produce cleaner phrasing, and simple wording is easier for the model to carry musically. If you want only a quick flourish, put the sing tag right before a single line and then move back into standard narration. You can also add stage direction in plain text outside the sung portion if you want the voice to pause or emphasize a point. Keep your script tidy and avoid clutter around the tag so the model knows exactly what to sing. When your script looks good, click Generate to create the audio. Give it a listen. If the melody or timing isn't quite right, adjust your wording, tweak your punctuation, or shorten the lyric lines, then generate again. Small text refinements often make a big difference in musical flow. Repeat this quick edit and listen cycle until it sounds the way you want. And that's it. You've navigated to ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech, switched to the 11v3 alpha model, written your script, used the sing tag for lyrics, and generated your audio. Enjoy creating your own AI-powered performances.